Today I'm just going to show you how the systems work in the motorhome. Most people look at these and are a bit daunted, but they're fairly easy. There's 3 different control panels here. The main controls the heating and the fridge. The main control panels here, on-off button is just there. 3 main things in this that we use: lights, water, and this is your water tank up here, which tells you how much you've got. It's a 100-litre tank. It shows in percentages, so when it gets down to 33, you just want to be refilling it again. You need the water pump on to flush the toilet and sinks. You need the light on, obviously, for lights and to get the TV to work. Other functions that we have here are you can check the strength of your batteries, or outside light above the door, so when you come back from the restaurant you don't fall over. Next to this we've got the fridge. The fridge is a 3-way system. On-off button is here, and we can set it to automatic. Basically means at the minute it's running off gas. As soon as you start the engine, it runs off the engine, and as soon as you plug in electricity, it just flips over to that. So you don't actually need to touch it. The only time you need to touch it if you run out of gas. And the policy we have here at Haggis is if you run out of gas, get a refill, keep the receipt, and I'll give you your money back. And the last one, which is probably most important in Scotland, is the heating and hot water. It's called Truma. If you ever have any problems on it, just go onto Google. You'll find lots of videos. To get it to work, you just press the button and twist the dial to select the function you want. The first one, the van with the temperature gauge, obviously is your van heating. You just need to click on it, turn the dial clockwise to whatever heating you want, and then press the button again to set it. With the van flashing and the heating flame up there, heating's going to kick in about 20 minutes. If you're not using it, pretty easy just to turn it off, and always remember you need to click the button. Second function is the water. Same sort of scenario, just press the button. Has 3 functions: eco, hot and boost. You need to click on it again to set it. Boost will heat your water in about 20 minutes, but it will turn itself off once it's finished. Otherwise, just put it on to hot and you'll have continuous water. At night time, you can actually put it on to eco, which means it's just ticking away in the background and you'll have hot water in the morning. What I do is I get up in the morning, put the kettle on, turn the hot water on, and by the time I have my coffee, I've got enough hot water for sure. Next function is source. You can either have gas or electric. Gas is when you're not plugged into mains, and if you are plugged into mains, just flip it over to electric. Whenever you disconnect from electric, you just need to put it back to gas. And the last function up here is the vent. You can choose to have it blowing hot air or cold air. I haven't really used the cold air in Scotland, but you never know. The only other thing down here that's important is the spanner in the bottom right hand corner. If you need to use the spanner, you'll be on the phone to me. And that's about it.